Before we start drawing and animating our flower, I'm going to give you a quick tour of our workspace. So, all of this that you see right here is known as the editor, or the editor workspace. At the top, we have a menu bar. Right here, we have our project header, where I can click the gear and get details about the project. On the far left side, we have the toolbar, where we can do things like draw and add text. Right here, we have what we call the inspector. If you notice up here, it says Market. The marketplace is where there are a lot of pre-made things like scenes and objects that can go onto your canvas, so it's a really great resource. In the middle of our screen, we have the canvas, and the far right is known as our scene inspector. Now, down here at the bottom, there are two things. I don't have anything in ours yet, so you don't actually see anything other than the white space. But this area in the bottom left corner is the layers panel. And right here, we have the timeline. If you have any questions, or if you need hints as you go through and animate, there's also a little question mark icon here in this corner, bottom right of our canvas. So, that's a quick tour of our interface. Again, this is the editor workspace. We have a menu bar, project header, a toolbar, we have the inspector, we have the canvas, we have the scene inspector, the layers panel, and right here is the timeline. Alright, next up, we're going to start drawing.